about 1 o'clock. This is like blissful bee time right now. Many bees in the air. Can you see those orange pollen in their baskets? That'll be made into bee bread to feed themselves.
Fruit pie.
They actually have, somebody analyzed it was like 17 different microorganisms and yeast. And yet everywhere else in the hive is mostly inert biologically. The propolis kills most bacteria. Some spores can live in honey. There's a number of them. But mostly the hive is, if they sting a mouse to death, they'll mummify it in propolis. So its stench and fetid rot won't infect the hive. They carry dead bees or diseased bees out. This is what I believe their body, not just, it's like the cells of our body need a form to move about in, this or get around in. This is their shelter, their body.
Finally something landed on the face. I think it was a fly though.
Dave's got the best view of all of us right here. Prostrate. Is that prostate? No, prostrate.
Prostrate.
To watch the bees come in, heavy and full, fat, butt down with nectar. They're quite curious. But we're quite sure there's stories told around the comb at night. The buzz about
every time I move my head,
the strange creatures.
I move this thing and it sent them into a tizzy. Concentration of buzzing around my face.
Oh, this is good. You can see there's bees. You just sit right in them there. Bliss. State of bliss. They know I mean them no harm. Here's what Chrissy sought to see the bees in.
When I was really young,
pine trees.